Hello, Paul here from AMD Automotive. Today, just want to show you today I got a Boxster 986 that we're doing the IMS bearing before, so everything is all done as you can see. So gearbox back on, IMS bearings back on. Today I just finished putting the new AC compressor in here and a brand new tensioner. That's a tensioner there. I'll show you what I mean. That's the tensioner, so this one here. This tensioner here goes in here like that, and there's a bolt that goes there from this side here, which just goes on this side here. See that hole there? There's a bolt that goes here, that goes in, and the bolt holds it from the other side. And the only way to do it is to take that bolt out and remove this, so you can actually take that bolt out and put a new pulley. So we got a new pulley here and a new bolt. So that's a new tensioner as well. The old one is already taken out. I've got a new pulley here already, new ones, as you can see, brand new ones here. But this is all done, so tomorrow I'm going to start assembling all this. I'm going to new cooler as well. New oil cooler, and I've got a new, every time we take it out we remove the intake manifold and clean, as you can see here, it's nice and clean there. Every single port is cleaned up properly, as you can see. We're going to clean a bit more here, but as you can see it's nice and clean. We can only do what we can. We can't really clean on the inside. We try our best to clean, but if I showed you before how this port looked like, it was like just really brown and black. There was nothing. So this side here is already done as well. Have a look. There you go, that's nice and clean. So that's all done. This is all done. We're going to get new O-rings for here as well, the power steering pump. New O-rings as well. And we're going to start assembling everything back on top. And once that's put the car on the hoist, and we start putting everything back on the car. Alright, right, that's a new starter motor as well. So we took the starter motor out. The one that's in the car was too small, was only up to here. It's a tiny one, so I put a bigger one in there. That's a rebuilt one as well. Not a brand new one, just a rebuilt starter motor. Once that goes in, pretty much put the lines back on. Brand new one, plastic. So every time you do one of these, so we always check the intake manifold out and clean all that, so we can put new gaskets on the intake manifold, which is here. Always put new gaskets, even though if you remove the engine, I'm telling you, just take those gaskets out, put new one. Don't leave the intake on. And then, very important to change the actual purge solenoid, which sits underneath here on the intake manifold. Alright, just put brand new one so you don't have to worry about it in the future. And new gaskets and new seals for the injector as well. Put new seals on the injectors, for the injectors. So 6 new seals, 6 new gaskets, put it back together, and then we'll go from there. Alright, but at the moment looks good. Just got to put the front pump for the oil pump in. New belts, new O-ring here for this one, and a new O-ring for the actual 2 lines that go to the compressor. After that, then we'll assemble the intake manifold on top, and then we'll go from there. Other than that, I've got new ignition coils, because the old one was all cracked. As you can see, they only come as the big ones. You can't get the small ones anymore from Porsche or OEM. They only sell you these ones here. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.